So it's lesson 66 and boom, here's part 2. Okay, just a reminder of the content that you have to cover. So we've just now finished our reading, and as I said before, it's a great way for us to cover a lot of content and expose the kids to a lot of target grammar and vocabulary that they're having to use in this particular review unit. Now, I've closed the books and the kids are now looking at the whiteboard and they're just focused there. Do you remember what I did? Do you remember what these were? Those 5 faces. The first one was brilliant. Good job. Brilliant at. The next one was amazing. Good. The next one was good at something. Yeah. And then the second last one was okay. And then the last one was not good at, not very good at. Okay. So while we're setting up the board, we bring our students into it because, of course, we want to make sure that they are reviewing. They have to recall their knowledge. And then I'm going to draw a table on the board. Boom, boom, boom. And then I'm going to say, boys and girls, do you remember what goes at the top? Now, you could use the students' responses, or you could focus in on certain things. And what I mean by that is we've got Tuesday. You could have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or you could have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or you could have Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, and you can ask the kids to spell those words as you're going along. You could also then review time. So for example, 8 o'clock, 8:30, 9 o'clock, 9:30, whatever it is. And again, build up the board with their help. Then, of course, what you're going to do is you're going to then throw in the subjects. And you say, all right, boys and girls, give me a subject. Teacher, me, geography. Good. Mike, spell geography. Yes, teacher, Geography. Helen, spell drama, whatever, whatever. Okay, so basically that's what you are doing. You are setting up the board and you're making sure that everything is okay. Now, just for fun, teachers, this is just for fun. I have left Thursday 8 o'clock empty, okay? And that is because we can then do something like doesn't or I don't. For example, I don't have geography on Thursday at 8 o'clock. Or you could even say, I don't even have class at Thursday at 8 o'clock in the morning. Something like this. So that is the reason why I left that blank. It's up to you to use it however you wish. Not necessary, it's just for fun. And then, of course, once you've got the subjects, you also then put the places on the board. And again, you can follow that in the same kind of way. Okay, you just elicit those responses from your students. You get the vocabulary going as well. And if I didn't say before, of course, the kids' books are closed at this stage. All right, now what I'm going to do is, since we've got all of the information on the board, I will then, I might give them a prompt. I might use it orally. I might say, on Tuesday, I have geography on Tuesday at 8 o'clock, okay? And then I might put that on the board. Monday, yeah, we have geography on Tuesday at 8 o'clock, okay? It's a mistake, doesn't matter. And so I'm doing it orally, and then the kids will then give me their response however they want to do. So we've got the time, we've got the place, and then we've got their ability at that particular subject. Now I've put it on the board because, of course, what I want to do is I want to now get the responses from my students. All right, Sally, number 2. Sally then says what she needs to say, and she's following the pattern. Okay, maybe the weaker students are doing this. Jim, number 3, and then Jim goes, okay, we have music on Saturday at 11 o'clock. We have history in the homes. And I'm not very good at music. Okay, sorry, that's another mistake, but okay, you get the general idea. Now you'll get your students to either stand up in pairs where they will then practice the sentences. You as a teacher, you can shuffle those numbers around. Or of course, they don't have to have pairs. They could have 4 kids at a time, whatever it is, up to you. But the idea is for them to make sure that they really do know how to use this language. All right, teachers, thank you very much. It's a lot going on in this particular section. And I shall now see you in the next video. I do not know why this is behaving in this particular way, but yeah, just ignore it. Sorry about this. Anywho, teachers, I shall see you in the next video. And until then, do take care. And thanks for watching.